Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how we combine our colored oxides with cement to achieve our home decor products. First, we measure our cement, oxide, and water. The measurement guidelines are available on our resource page. The oxide is added to the dry cement base and mixed thoroughly. This step is important to achieve a uniform color throughout the mixture. Once combined, the water is added. Mix well, ensuring to mix in the bottom of the container. We normally go in afterward with our drill blender. However, hand mixing is fine as long as you ensure it is thoroughly mixed. At this time, you can add a small amount of water if needed to achieve a more fluid consistency. Your concrete mortar is now ready for use. Thanks for watching.